What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and here is a quick yet very effective way to improve the overall performance of your Windows computer with simple tips. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us. After this, go to our initializing panel, just like this, and move to settings, okay? Once on settings, review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over privacy and security and click on it. And now, review the Windows permissions, and right here we have inking and typing personalization. Click on it and make sure that you have off into this option right here. This is gonna make your computer faster, but there is more things you can do into this panel right here. Diagnostics and feedback, make sure that you have off in every single one of this, and you can also delete the information to save memory on your computer. With these simple tips, your computer will stop sending information from Microsoft from time to time. You're gonna make your computer faster and with less process working into the background. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!